today, but even warmer for your Friday and Saturday. This is a live look at the top of Bobby Dodd Stadium here at Atlanta, where we have a little bit of a breeze that's helping us out, but temperatures have soared to near 80 already this afternoon. We're sitting just shy of 80 at 79 here in Atlanta, 80 in Athens already, and these numbers will continue to rise. By the way, on average, we should be seeing a high today right around 74, but we're talking about a high of 86. That would tie the record high for today. And it's not just us that's going to be dealing with the heat. It's all across the southeast and the state. Check out Augusta this afternoon, coming in at a high of 91. Same over in Statesboro as well. By the way, it's been a very quiet severe weather season. That storm track has stayed off to our west, and that's really caused it to also be a very dry season for us. So on record, we've seen the 5th driest severe weather season, spring season for us, and 6th warmest as well. We'll talk about when we could have some rain in the forecast coming up in just a few minutes.
Thank you very much, Ashley.
First time this year. Let's talk about this because it's been so quiet over the past several weeks and really several months. Our drought monitor that came out earlier this morning, and yes, unfortunately, it has worsened across the state. Heat is building in, and we are looking ahead to some relief that comes with our next cold front. It will bring a slight chance for a few showers. It is the worst drought since 2011. What we really need is a lot of rain. So let's talk about how much rain we have received over the past several months. Over 3 inches in January, about 2.5 inches in February. March was the big winner, coming in at over 4 inches. It was still below our monthly average for March. So far this April, haven't seen much. Less than 1/4 of an inch of rain. And what we really need to get us out of the drought is about 1.5 times our normal rainfall for about 3 months. That equates to about 15 to 25 inches. So looking long term, yes, the end of the month, we are looking at a wetter pattern, but this is not a guarantee that it's going to stay this way over the next few months. In the meantime, this afternoon, it is going to be a hot one for us. Temperatures climbing up into the mid 80s. Our record high for today is 86. We'll be right around that. If you think that's warm, just wait. Tomorrow and Saturday, temperatures likely to either touch the record or break the record. Could see our first 90-degree day this year, which would be the earliest ever on record. There is some relief coming in with our next cold front, so let me time this out for you. Saturday is still going to be hot for us. That front well off to our west. That approaches late Saturday night, really into early Sunday morning. The best chance of rain with this comes in for northwest Georgia. There's a stray shower possible across metro Atlanta. It is not going to be a soaking rain, though, for us, and it's really primarily for your Sunday morning hours, your Sunday afternoon. It's going to be dry with some clouds around. Most locations about 1/10 of an inch or less. Definitely not what we are looking forward to. We need several weeks of substantial rainfall, and it's just not coming in the forecast. Even warmer for the next few days. This is a live look at our PDK airport camera here in Chamblee. Yes, we have a lot of sunshine, a few clouds outside. Temperatures already nearing 80 currently here in the city. We have a breeze coming in out of the west-southwest, and that's helping us out a bit, but it is still hot out there, especially for April standards. So upper 70s for a lot of us, but already seeing the 80s from areas like Athens over into the Eatonton area. We're all going to be in the 80s as we run our clocks into the afternoon hours. Tracking a small disturbance that could bring a few stray showers to our far northern counties here overnight. Definitely nothing to get excited about. Most of us are going to be dry and even warmer heading into our Friday as temperatures get close to that 90-degree mark for the first time this year. By the way, latest pollen count coming out, and yes, we are still in the high range, dealing with not only tree pollen, but also weed and mold pollen as well. So we're going to continue to see issues with this until we get some relief with some rain. We have some rain in the upcoming forecast. I'll take you through that coming up in just a few minutes.
Thank you very much.
We really need that rain to help wash away the pollen. We have a little bit of rain coming down the way for us. Live look over the top of Stone Mountain. Clear skies, lots of sunshine. Temperature right now currently at 79. But this afternoon, we are back on our way to the mid 80s. Record high is 86. We'll be right around that this afternoon. Even warmer, though, for the next few afternoons. Your 5-day forecast for that weekend always in view, nearing 90